With over a decade of strong presence in Chennai, Traventure Homes Private Limited has become a trusted name in real estate and reconstruction. Founded in 2014 by engineering graduate K.R. Uvith, the company has created multiple luxury city projects in this industry. What began as a single residential project for a friend has evolved into Traventure, a leading private limited company dedicated to delivering exceptional residential and commercial developments. Renowned for our commitment to superior construction, sustainable environments, excellent connectivity, and dependable maintenance, we are proud to be redefining the standards of urban living. At Traventure Homes, our unique strengths set us apart. We offer highly competitive pricing without compromising on construction quality. All our projects are strategically located in well-developed and well-connected areas. Every home is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and security system for a peaceful living. Our projects are designed to be environmentally conscious and sustainable. We focus on maximizing usable space to offer more comfort and functionality. For over 11 years, we have consistently delivered all projects on time, with zero delays. We prioritize excellence in every detail, ensuring robust structures and fine craftsmanship. We combine aesthetic design with innovative engineering to create stunning and practical spaces. With over 11 years of excellence, Traventure Homes has become a hallmark of trust and quality in Chennai's real estate sector. We've proudly completed 75 plus landmark projects, with 20 plus ongoing and 10 plus upcoming developments that reflect our commitment to innovation and premium living. Backed by the smiles of 500 plus happy customers, our journey is a testament to visionary growth and customer first values. Traventure continues to build not just homes, but enduring legacies. Traventure Homes has completed 101 projects across the heart of Chennai. Let us go through the location of the project in detail. Southern Chennai, Central Chennai, and Northern Chennai. Let's take a look at Southern Chennai first. We have completed 4 projects in the areas Marimalai Nagar, Nellai-Kuppam, SP Kovala. Now let's take a look at Central Chennai. We have completed totally 16 projects. 13 in areas Madambakam, Mudichur, Tambaram, Medavakam, ECR, OMR, Kotivakam, Besant Nagar, and 3 in Madipakam. Now let's take a look at Northern Chennai. We have completed totally 81 projects in areas Anna Nagar, Ayanambakam, KK Nagar, Saligramam, etc. We have completed around 39 luxury projects in Saligramam with creative, innovative, different and precise engineering. Rooted in decades of structural expertise and driven by visionary leadership, Traventure Homes transforms every project into a lasting legacy. Whether you're rebuilding your cherished family home or investing in a modern living space, we deliver quality, trust, and innovation at every step. We approach every project with the same meticulous care and personal investment as if it were our first endeavor. Join 500s of happy homeowners across Chennai who chose more than just a house. They decided on a future. Traventure Homes, building dreams, creating futures.